Dreams sail against the storm. It is a great land where miracles are created. It is a great revolution out of revitalization. It is a great era when people with strength and intelligence sail against the storm of the market. With a 65-year history, Shenyang Sanyo Building Machinery Company Limited, Shenzhen, has put down roots. It developed the first tower crane in China after many trials and hardships. Under the leadership of President Wang Jianli, Shenzhen keeps moving forward by its unswerving determination, indestructible strength. Shenzhen has extended its business to Shenyang, Jieling, Beijing and Shanghai, and developed a world-class tower crane manufacturing base, covering an area of 1,080,000 square meters. Behind all success lies toughness and accumulation. Our journey towards success began with one single step. In 1950, Shenyang Sanyo Building Machinery Company Limited, formerly known as the Shenyang Metal Structure Plant, was established as a state-owned business affiliated with the Ministry of Construction. In 1964, the first tower crane in China was developed by Shenzhen, filling the gap in tower crane research and production, which allowed Shenzhen to become the cradle of the Chinese tower crane industry. In 1984, French Potain technology was introduced to Shenzhen by the Ministry of Construction, allowing Shenzhen to produce the first self-raising tower crane in China. In 1995, the first ultra-large tower crane, K50/50 tower crane, was successfully produced by Shenzhen, filling the gap in ultra-large tower cranes in China. This development was reported on CCTV News as important news in the field of technology. In 2001, the first frequency-converting tower crane in China was produced by Shenzhen, bringing tower crane R&D technology up to the highest international level. The top 3 achievements the Chinese are proud of throughout the past 100 years of Chinese history. In 2005, the achievement in manned spacecraft engineering, the launching tower for Shenzhou 5 spacecraft at the Xichang Satellite Launch Center. In 2008, the organization of the Beijing Olympic Games. In 2010, the organization of the Shanghai Expo. Tower cranes produced by Shenzhen could be found at the construction sites of these projects, and over 80 tower cranes made by Shenzhen were put into service during the construction of Olympic venues in Beijing, earning high appreciation from IOC President Roger. Adhering to the core philosophy of repaying and revitalizing the country by quality products, Shenzhen is now creating a miracle of business in the construction machinery industry under the background of global economic development. Pursuing perfection through the finest technique. We insist on producing the best quality products with the finest technique. It has long been the service philosophy of employees of Shenzhen to provide customers with the best products and services and enable users to enjoy the most reliable products. State-of-the-art technology and the finest technique have been introduced to Shenzhen, allowing Shenzhen to ensure the best quality and performance of its products. At present, Shenzhen owns 3,375 sets of sophisticated equipment. Many well-known industry experts and scholars have been introduced to our Tower Crane Research Center and Electricity and Machinery Design Institute, along with the most advanced calculation software, giving strong backing to the mechanical programming. A series of sophisticated physiochemical metering devices have been introduced to the Quality Testing Center, where 9 labs have been established, including labs for mechanical testing, spectral analysis, metallographic structure analysis, precise measurement, universal measuring tools, thermometers, electrotechnical instruments and pressure gauges, all of which contributes to the good quality of our products. Tower cranes are assembled after spraying in the assembly workshop. Each one can be delivered only when combined transport testing is done. By virtue of the state-of-the-art painting line, the painting workshop achieves shot blasting as well as correction processing for components and combined spray painting of any 2 components of primer, intermediate paint and finish paint. The painting quality meets the world-class standards. Shenzhen has invested RMB 100 million in a 20,000 meters squared testing site for professional and special facilities, where 16 tower cranes can be assembled and tested at the same time. The size of the plant and the rigorous testing process are almost unique in the world. The ERP management system is adopted for specialized division and delicate management throughout Shenzhen to ensure precise technique and highly efficient management. Supreme sincerity and supreme integrity, striding forward hand in hand. After traversing heavy storms and surviving in rough waves for 65 years, Shenyang Sanyo Building Machinery Company Limited still stands firmly beyond the tide. Innovation changes the world, while breakthroughs lead to the future. With increased efforts in technological research and development and diversified product chains, Shenzhen provides to all kinds of customers to meet their comprehensive and multi-level requirements. Shenzhen not only achieves innovations and breakthroughs in its professional field, but extends its scope to various construction industries, such as shipyards, ports, docks, thermal power, hydropower, nuclear power, roads and bridges, etc., for a broader platform. Over the years, Shenzhen has been awarded as an excellent quality control enterprise in the construction area, an excellent manufacturing enterprise for qualified products, and an enterprise of quality and benefits. Its products were rated as satisfactory products by the User Committee of the Chinese Quality Association 6 consecutive times in the past 18 years. With pioneering courage and unswerving determination, Shenzhen has created a three-dimensional sales network by establishing long-term cooperation with the China State Construction, Sino Hydro Group Limited, China Metallurgy, CNPC, State Grid, and the largest domestic tower crane leasing company. Certified by ISO 9001, Quality System, and CE, Shenyang Sanyo Building Machinery Company Limited has attained the permission to sell its products in many countries by virtue of its qualified products and services, exporting products to 67 countries and regions. A demanding mission with a long way to go. As any ambitious enterprise, Shenzhen, rooted in Shenyang, Liaoning, is committed to creating the premier brand of Chinese tower cranes, as well as contributing to society and the country by steady improvements. Shenzhen finds its place in every corner where construction is needed. Following the pulse of the times, Shenyang Sanyo Building Machinery Company Limited keeps pace with Chinese development and global techniques. Bearing business accountability in mind, Shenzhen develops continuously while assuming the responsibility to promote Chinese construction machinery and the mission to deliver a spirit of national industry. Attain more achievements with gratitude to the world. With a brand new attitude and spirit, Shenyang Sanyo Building Machinery Company Limited stands at the forefront of national industry. With the determination and persistence of men of action and the height of attaining the best of the construction machinery industry and building a global brand for Sanyo, blazing with everlasting energy and passion, employees of the company will keep on striving for great achievements, lifting the curtain to face the challenge and igniting the torch of a brave dream.